Hello student, in this our video we will see numerical based upon molecular weight determination by using depression in freezing point equation. Before that, let us see the definition of Kf. Kf is equal to, it is defined as an depression in freezing point when 1 mole of solute is added to the 1 kg of a solvent. By formula, Kf is equal to RT0 F square upon LF into 1000. After putting all the values of the constant, we get final value, that is 1.86 kilo kg per mole. Now we have our equation delta TF is equal to RT0 F square into M divided by LF into 1000. This is our depression in freezing point equation. Here RT0 F square upon LF into 1000 is a constant and is called as Kf. Therefore delta TF is equal to M into Kf, where Kf is a molar depression constant or a cryoscopic constant. Again, delta TF is directly proportional to M molality. By using this, now determination of molecular weight from depression in freezing point equation. We have our equation delta TF is equal to M into Kf, where Kf is a cryoscopic constant or molar depression constant. We know molality M is equal to W2 upon M2 into W1 into 1000. Putting this value in above equation, we get delta TF is equal to W2 upon M2 into W1 into 1000 into Kf. Rearranging above equation, we get, so M2 goes to the left hand side, delta TF come to the right hand side in a denominator. We get M2 is equal to Kf into W2 upon delta TF into W1 into 1000. Thus, by knowing value of Kf, W2 and W1, we can easily determine the value of molecular weight of a solute, that is M2. Now we will solve the numerical. Let us see the first. 14 gram of substance dissolve in 150 gram of water, lowering in a freezing point of a solvent by 1.2 degree Celsius. Calculate molar mass of substance. Value of Kf is given, that is 1.86 kilo kg per mole. So solution, again first write down the given data. As per the given data, weight of solute is a 14 gram. Again it is dissolved in solvent, that is 150 gram. So weight of solvent W1 is 150 gram. Again cryoscopic constant Kf is equal to 1.86 kilo kg per mole. Again molar depression constant delta TF is also given, and it is 1.2 degree Celsius. So when it multiplied by 273, it get convert into the Kelvin. So after multiplying with 273, we get 327.6 Kelvin. Molecular weight of solute we have to calculate. We have our equation delta TF is equal to M into Kf, equation number 1. We know Kf is a cryoscopic constant and M is the molality of a solution, and given by the formula M is equal to W2 upon M2 into W1 into 1000, equation number 2. Putting this equation 2 in equation 1, we get delta TF is equal to W2 into 1000 into Kf divided by M2 into W1. Now rearranging the equation, we get M2 is equal to Kf into W2 into 1000 divided by delta Tf into W1. Therefore, putting all the values at 1.86 into 14 into 1000 divided by 327.6 into 150, we get our final answer, that is 144.67. Thus, molar mass of substance M2 is 144.67. So, in this way we have solved this sum. Next sum, if freezing point of cyclohexane is 279.5 Kelvin, a solution of naphthalene having molecular weight 128 in cyclohexane prepared by dissolving 0.65 gram of naphthalene in 19.2 gram of cyclohexane. If the cryoscopic constant for a cyclohexane is 20.1 kg per mole, calculate the freezing point of a solution. So every time student first write down the given data. As per the given data, weight of solute is 0.65 gram. Again, weight of solvent is 19.2 gram. Now the cryoscopic constant is directly given, that is 20.1 kg per mole. Again, the molecular weight of solute is 128 given. Higher temperature, that is T0F 279.5 Kelvin. Molar depression constant we have to calculate. Molar depression constant is nothing but freezing point of solution delta TF. Now the lower temperature again we have to calculate. See, we have our last equation, delta TF is equal to M into Kf, where Kf is a cryoscopic constant, M is a molality given by formula W2 into 1000 upon M2 into W1. Putting this value in above equation, we get delta TF is equal to W2 into 1000 upon M2 into W1 into Kf. Now putting all the values that are given, we get delta TF is equal to 5.316. This is a value of delta TF. Therefore, we know delta TF is equal to, it is the difference between T0F minus TF. So, putting the value of delta TF, before that just rearrange, so you will get the freezing point TF is equal to T0F minus delta TF. We have the value of T0F, that is a 279.5 minus 5.316. The subtraction gives the answer 274.18 Kelvin. Thus, the freezing point of the solution TF is equal to 274.18 Kelvin. So student, I hope today you are getting how to solve the numerical based upon depression in freezing point equation. Thank you. For any query regarding this topic, contact me personally. Once again, thanks.